like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the Mukbang show where I try stuff that's spicy and you get to watch. The one today is this A-Sha Hot Ones Sweet Chili. This is of their trifecta of varieties, the mildest one. I figured I'd work my way up and see how that goes. Here's what I'm gonna have. I've got a slice of chashu, piece of fish cake, and the noodle, and a little bit of scallion. So, anyways, here we are, and let's get you right in on this, and let's give it a try. Ready, set, go. Noodle's pretty good. So this is a sweet chili. It's definitely sweet. And it's got a little bit of heat to it. Here's what our broth looks like. That might be a little piece of TVP. Huh? I don't know what that was. Done. There is heat to it. It is very mild, though. I don't know. Maybe somebody's going to find that to be pretty hot, but no, it's not exceedingly hot. If that's all you're looking for, you're not going to find it here. However, it's tasty. It's good. It's got a nice tanginess to it, a sweetness and a spiciness. It's good. So yeah, that is my thought on this. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Writer, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like and subscribe. Makes the world a better place. Have a good one. Bye-bye.